Welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with the Teletubbies, but who are we missing? Where is Dipsy? Heyo! Dipsy is standing on the rainbow. And we're going to learn colors today with this rainbow slide and colorful gumballs. The gumballs are in a glass bowl, but what's the shape of this bowl? It's a fruit. An apple. I love apples. And tonight we're going to be eating apple crisp made by Tiny Treasures. Let's get started. Po and Tinky Winky are standing at the bottom of the slide ready to catch the gumballs. The first one is pink. Can you say pink? Here it comes. Good catch. Next is red. Can you say red? Here it comes. Yellow like Lala. Green like Dipsy. There's one more color we need to roll down the slide. Which one is it? It's blue. Woo! All of the Teletubbies are standing at the bottom of the slide. Get ready, Teletubbies. Oh, we missed two. One more. Oh, try again. Good job. Bye-bye, Teletubbies.